How is the language you're using to talk to yourself impacting your mindset? And how is your mindset impacting everything you do? Well, I like to pay attention carefully to the language my students use when they tell me about what they're doing. And when they use words like can't, or won't, or shouldn't, sometimes I throw a red flag. Because what I've noticed is words like that tend to freeze us up, maybe even make us hold our breath, which is a very difficult place to move or act from. So get creative and swap out your language, see what happens. Some of my favorites are, what would happen if? And where can I find more support? And is this okay right now? Check back soon for more helpful hints, but in the meantime, share your findings below and please do share the video. See you soon.